Airless pump bottles have become my very favorite bottles for my homemade lotions. No more beating the bottles to get out your lotion. No more fighting to get the pump unlocked. Get nearly every drop when you use the airless pump bottles. Okay, I make handmade homemade lotions and creams, and I've used a variety of different bottles over the years. But since I discovered these airless pump bottles, it's the only thing I use. Now I have spent hours trying to get these things unlocked where they'll work. These are fine, but if you've ever spent all your time trying to get it all out, whereas these airless pump bottles, let me open this up and show you. This is how much is left over. I mean, you get almost every drop of your lotion. So that's the only thing I use. Now I know once you try the airless pump bottles, it'll be the only one you will ever use. Okay, now this made about 5 of these lotion bottles, but I'm not going to put the lid on them yet. I want to let this completely cool. I'll come back in an hour or so, make sure it's completely cool before I put the lid on it to avoid any kind of condensation that might ruin my cream. Now, if you've not seen these airless pump bottles before, they are just so great. I mean, your lotion comes out like that. This plunger works its way up, so you never get air in it, and you really get it down to the very last drop. Okay, I have let these set for a couple of hours. They're completely cool, and now I'm ready to put my lid on. Now these lids are they're all in one piece like this. You just pop them on. And then this top part comes out. Now isn't that so much easier than the other type lotions? Didn't have to worry about a funnel, just poured it in. Okay, now when you get these bottles and you put your lotion in, you're going to have this little tab you have to remove before it will work. And then you're going to have to pump it a few times to get the vacuum going. But once that, it is great. Now also, if you made handmade lotion and you didn't have enough containers and you just put it in a mason jar, this will easily dip out and you can spoon it into your container. It's not like where you're having to get the funnel to fill these. Now, I did make a mistake in getting the clear. It would have been better if I had gotten the frosted, because of course when you whip your lotion, you're whipping air into it. And as that whipping kind of melts down, you're going to look like your bottle's not completely full if you're making these to sell. So the frosted would be better. Now, unfortunately, on Amazon, all they have are the really small bottles. I haven't seen the larger bottles like these. Now, if you go to wholesalesuppliesplus.com, now I don't get an affiliate for all that. I mean, this is totally free information. They will have all different sizes for you. Now, the only problem with these airless pump bottles, they're much more expensive than the other lotion bottles. Okay, you can watch my YouTube videos of making homemade lotions, how to make handmade lotion, a link to handmade comfrey lotion with shea butter, and I will leave the links in the description bar. Now, I also have a handmade skincare class on thumbdrive with the videos and written instructions, which includes making herb-infused oils, lotions, body butters, salves, and balms, and lotion bars, sunscreens, and rash cream, and so much more. $35 includes shipping. You can contact me at Carolyn Gibson 1951 at gmail.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. We are a small family farm, and we need your support to continue to make these videos and share natural healing remedies. Visit me at familyguidetoherbs.com. Now, my channel name on YouTube is Carolyn Gibson Herbalist.